for breakfast. Cooked plums, sweet sugar. That dog is stuck and he's afraid. Putting some nice mulch around the tree. For lunch, pasta with veggies, some tomatoes, sauce. Going down to the city. Bananas showing their attitude to greenhouse. Really huge avocado tree. Just really huge. Here in the shop, bananas, ripe bananas cost $2.25 a kilo. I did some dumpster diving, got some bananas and peaches. Pretty good bananas. Hey. Just had a quick swim, really nice, warm. The water is cold though, it's okay. This sign says that you can't camp here and like it's illegal. And then there's just like 100 vans parked everywhere. Tenerife Libre. We'll go to pick up my dinner. Got some bananas, bag of bananas. Eating those bananas, they're really ripe. Now I will eat pasta with veggies.